welcome back to AutoView Pro. Today we're taking an in-depth look at the 2026 Great Plains Voyager, a motorhome that promises both luxury and rugged versatility for the modern road traveler. If you've ever dreamt of waking up in remote landscapes, yet still enjoying all the comfort you'd expect from a high-end home, this one might be for you. We'll explore the design, features, performance, interior layout, technology, safety, pricing, and who this motorhome is really built for. Let's roll. Imagine pulling into a scenic overlook along winding mountain roads and stepping out into crisp air, the sun just rising. The 2026 Voyager lets you do that without sacrificing luxury or convenience. From the first glance, its exterior strikes a bold balance between presence and aerodynamics. The body is sculpted with clean, sweeping lines that manage to reduce drag yet still give it that commanding road presence. The front cap is slightly rounded, with LED headlights angled to integrate with the front grille, giving a sleek and modern face. Side panels have been treated with composite materials that resist corrosion and help with weight reduction. Those materials also help with insulation, so whether you're in summer heat or winter chill, the interior stays more temperate. One of the most talked about additions on the outside is the luggage bay system. It's large enough to hold kayaks, folding bicycles, even a compact motorcycle, depending on configuration. The bay doors open wide, and gas shocks assist so they stay up out of the way. Beneath, you'll find storage compartments with LED strip lighting, handy for grabbing gear after dark. The roof is equipped for solar panels, and optionally you can have a slide-out awning that spans nearly 20 feet, offering shaded outdoor living space. There's also the satellite dish and retractable ladder, making roof maintenance and scenic rooftop lounging possible. Engine options are solid. You can choose between a heavy-duty diesel V8 or a more fuel-efficient turbocharged V6 gasoline engine, both paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. The diesel delivers better torque for climbing steep grades or towing a trailer or boat, while the gasoline version gives you smoother acceleration in city traffic and lower maintenance costs. Fuel capacity is generous, offering well over 150 gallons combined between tank and auxiliary fuel cell on models with long-range option, pushing your travel range to over 800 miles under favorable conditions. Driving dynamics have improved too. The Voyager features an independent front suspension and upgraded shock absorbers mounted for both comfort and stability, along with upgraded tires designed for a mix of asphalt, gravel, and mild off-road surfaces. Stepping inside, you're greeted with a high ceiling over 7 feet of headroom artfully lit with full-width skylights and ambient lighting embedded in the cabinetry. The finishing materials are top-tier, hardwood cabinetry, solid surface countertops, and flooring that mimics wide plank wood but is crafted to resist water. The seats in the cockpit are heated, ventilated, and fully reclining, upholstered in premium leather. The dashboard itself is a study in modern functionality, larger touchscreen display for navigation, camera feeds, and media tactile knobs for climate and other frequently used controls and a custom digital gauge cluster that adjusts based on drive mode, economy, tour, off-road, etc. The floor plan comes in multiple layouts. In one version, there's a front living room with a large wraparound sofa and 2 captain's chairs, both swiveling to face a central area. A full-size slide-out expands to give more living space. Opposite that, a dinette table folds away or converts into extra sleeping space for guests. The kitchen is built for serious cooks. There's a 3-burner stove, convection microwave, conventional oven, large double-door refrigerator with freezer, and plenty of cabinet space. Countertops are backlit under the cabinets to make cooking by night easier on the eyes. The sink comes with a removable cutting board insert, and a cover lets you expand prep space when needed. In the rear, depending on the model, there's either a master bedroom or a bunk suite. The master suite includes king or queen bed options, with an underbed storage area, wardrobes on either side, and a dresser. Panoramic windows let in light and views. If you go with the bunk suite layout, there are twin bunks with their own reading lights, storage cubbies, and a shared bathroom. The bathroom is roomy, with a separate shower with glass door, skylight above so it never feels cramped, porcelain toilet, and a vanity with sink and medicine cabinet. There's also a half bath option in some layouts. Climate control is handled by a dual zone system. One zone for the living, kitchen area, another for the bedroom. Insulation is upgraded in the walls, ceiling, and floor using foam and reflective barrier, and the Voyager offers excellent thermal performance even in extreme temperatures. Power is managed with a house battery bank, lithium-ion in the high-end trim, capable of supplying off-grid power for multiple days depending on usage. Solar panels are optionally installed to assist with battery recharge. There's also a generator built in, sound insulated so as not to disturb evening peace in campgrounds. For water, you've got fresh, grey, and black tanks sized to minimize stops. Some models hold over 120 gallons of fresh water, and waste tanks are weather protected to prevent freezing. Technology is well represented. The infotainment system supports multiple media input, streaming, satellite radio, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. There are multiple USB-C and USB-A outlets throughout, as well as wireless charging pads in convenient spots. A keyless entrance system, automatic leveling jacks, roof cameras, side blind spot cameras, a 360-degree exterior camera system assist with parking and tight maneuvers. For safety, the Voyager includes collision warning, lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, driver fatigue monitoring, tire pressure monitoring, and optional surround sound rear radar for towing or reversing. For those who tow, there's a substantial towing package. The captive hitch is rated for several £1,000s, depending on the powertrain, and features integrated wiring, hitch camera view, brake controller pre-wiring. Suspension and braking systems are beefed up to handle the extra load. The Voyager also comes with intelligent drive assist systems to help with downhill braking and maintaining stability under tow. Ride comfort matters, and Great Plains seems to have addressed that. The cabin and body are isolated via multiple layers of vibration damping floors have underlayment to reduce road noise. Ceiling and sidewalls feature thermal and acoustic insulation. Air suspension is offered in more premium trims, which helps particularly on rougher roads or unpaved stretches. The cockpit seats are adjustable for long drives, with lumbar support, armrests, and tilt, swivel features. Visibility is enhanced by large mirror surfaces, integrated turn signal indicators in the mirrors, plus wide panoramic windshields. Let's talk fuel efficiency. While heavy motorhomes are never exactly zippers, the design and engine choices aim to maximize miles per gallon. The diesel engine, in combination with optimized aerodynamics and perhaps limited speed cruise assist, results in better highway fuel economy than earlier models. The gasoline version trades some efficiency for lower upfront cost and maintenance, though you'll see more variation depending on altitude, weight, and terrain. Maintenance features are thoughtful. Access panels are well placed. The engine bay is accessible without much crawling under. Water hookups, waste valves, and other service points are color-coded and clustered for convenience. Filters are kept in easy-reach spots. The Voyager also offers optional remote diagnostics and over-the-air updates for the infotainment and control systems, making some servicing doable without taking it to a shop. Safety in adverse weather conditions is also considered. The Voyager offers upgraded insulation and heating for pipes and tanks to avoid freezing. A heated basement area helps protect components beneath the motorhome. There's also a moisture detection system inside the walls. Should any leak or condensation begin, you'll get alerts via the onboard monitoring system. Roof vents are built to prevent puddling and manage water runoff even in heavy rain. There's an available all-wheel or four-wheel drive option in certain models, enabling better traction on slippery or unpaved roads, though with some trade-offs in weight and fuel. If you're interested in off-grid capability, this model is competitive. Lithium battery bank, large freshwater tank, solar panel array, generator, all this comes together to let you go deep into wilderness or boondocking without needing hookups for longer stretches. The Voyager also offers accessories like a composting toilet or eco-friendly options if you want to reduce environmental footprint. LED lighting throughout keeps power usage down. Driving aids are current generation. Adaptive cruise control helps maintain speed and safe following distance. Lane keeping assist prevents unintentional drift. Automatic emergency braking is standard. Dash cam system captures front and rear video. There's CCTV style cameras along the sides and rear to assist with maneuvering and backup. Each door has sensors so you know if something's ajar before driving off. Fire suppression systems are built in, especially near the engine and fuel storage areas. Smoke, and propane leak detectors are mandatory, and alarms are loud and redundant. Let's move into style and customization. Great Plains knows that many buyers want the motorhome to feel like home, so there are multiple design packages. Wood tones vary from light birch to dark walnut. Upholstery choices include leather or high-grade synthetic leathers with durable stitching. Fabrics for curtains, headliners, and cushions are chosen for durability and fade resistance. Exterior paints come in muted earth tones, bold metallics, and two-tone color schemes. There are optional graphics packages if you prefer striking contrast stripes or minimalist accents. Lighting packages let you choose accent colors for interior ambient lighting, so mood settings are possibly relax mode, dinner mode, travel mode, etc. Interior floor plans allow you to personalize. Choose between a rear master bedroom or bunk room with twin bunks. Slide-outs vary, single, double, or triple slide-outs depending on your priorities of space versus weight. Dinette may convert to bed or be a fixed table. Kitchen can be full-size or compact depending on layout. Optional theater seating in living area in place of sofas. Outdoor kitchen extension, possibly pull-out grill or sink, fridge, mini cooktop for alfresco meals. You can add outdoor entertainment systems, exterior TV, sound bar, lighting strips. Let's talk about price. The base model of the 2026 Voyager starts in the region of $280,000, possibly more depending on options, trim, and layout. Premium trims with all the extras are off-grid package, full solar, higher-end interior finishes that can push the cost well into $350,000 or more. Buyers should also account for import duties, shipping, registration, and modifications needed for their region, which may add significantly if you're outside the United States. Maintenance, insurance, fuel costs, and storage also factor into total cost of ownership. What about resale value? Great Plains has built a reputation for reliability and build quality. So despite the high initial investment, the Voyager is expected to hold value well, especially in well-maintained condition with full service history. Modular components, replaceable parts, and availability of the popular option packages play in favor when you want to sell or trade in down the line. Who is this motorhome designed for? It's ideal for travelers who want luxury and independence. If you love scenic drives, remote campsites, or want to explore national parks, count on the Voyager to get you there comfortably. Families will appreciate the bunk layouts or extra guest sleeping areas. Couples might prefer the master bedroom version. It's also well suited for full-timers, people who live on the road, work remotely, or desire a nomadic lifestyle without giving up creature comforts. On the flip side, it's a large vehicle. Maneuvering in tight urban spaces, narrow streets, or campsites with restrictive dimensions may be challenging. Fuel costs will be significant, especially in hilly or mountainous terrain. Maintenance of high-tech systems and inclusion of luxury materials mean repair bills can be higher. If you barely use your motorhome, the investment might not pay back quickly. And depending on where you live, find service centers familiar with this level of build may require travel. Let's consider some alternate options. If you want something more compact, you might look toward Class B or small Class C RVs. They're easy to drive and park. If you want even more ruggedness, there are off-grid vans or expedition RVs with all-wheel drive, steel frames, overland-style suspensions. But those often sacrifice space and luxury. The Voyager aims to strike a balance here: plenty of room, high comfort, solid performance, soft pavement when needed, but still highway manners. To wrap up, the 2026 Great Plains Voyager is a compelling choice for anyone serious about road travel in comfort and style. It blends high-end finishes, thoughtful design, strong performance, and generous off-grid capability into one package. It's not cheap, and it demands respect for its size and cost, but for those who want more than just a camping trip, for those who want an experience, Voyager might deliver exactly what you've been dreaming of. Thanks for coming along on this tour. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment below. What layout would you pick, the master bedroom or the bunk suite? Would you go diesel or gasoline? And where would you take this Voyager on its first adventure? I'll see you in the next video on AutoView Pro. Safe travels.